Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks, breaking news, yes, and events happening totally, generally all around the world. So all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post so that you can get updated. Okay? Stay glued to this channel. We love you.
The National Economic Council was established by the provision of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in 1999 as amended, as one of the executive bodies of the federal government. The NEC has the mandate to advise the President concerning the economic affairs of the Federation, and in particular on appropriate measures for the coordination of the economic plans and programs of government, ministries, departments, and agencies. Your Excellencies, it is worthy of note that the monthly meeting of NEC, chaired by the Vice President, have remained the official economic platform for robust dialogue among the federal government, the 36 state governors, the Central Bank of Nigeria, and other key stakeholders. In my inaugural speech of May 29, year 2003, I expressed this administration's commitment to improving the lives of Nigerians in a manner that nurtures our humanity, encourages compassion towards one another, and duly reward our collective effort to resolve the social ills that seek to divide us. I also listed the principles that will guide our administrations, and it is as follows: to be impartial, to govern according to the Constitution and the rule of law, to defend the nation from terror and all forms of criminality, to promote economic growth and development through job creation, food security, and an end to poverty, to prominently feature women and youth in all our activities, and to take proactive steps such as championing a credit culture to discourage corruption while strengthening the effectiveness and efficiency of various anti-corruption agencies. I also highlighted 8 priority areas to which this administration will focus: security, economy, jobs, agriculture, and infrastructure. We have already taken significant steps by ending the fuel subsidy and unifying the foreign exchange rate. This government will continue to transform our nation's fortunes and bring about unprecedented development through good governance. We are committed to sustainable initiatives and programs that will stimulate the rejuvenation of the economy without causing inflation. The plans and the ideas we have presented underscore our confidence in our ability to meet the challenges of the day and pave the way for a better future. The NEC meeting has over the years been very constructive and productive, and key outcomes, resolutions and recommendations are translated into brilliant government policies. It is also evident that the task of growing our economy is quite enormous. But you and I ask for it, we campaign for it, we even dance for it, we beg for it. So we have no reason to complain. We must harness the growth potential of Nigeria and bring about serious development to bring us from a potential issue to a pragmatic economic development in a rapid manner. Their expectation is unmet. As a veritable source of articulating policies and programs that are people-oriented, I cannot overemphasize that. It is also reassuring to note that the public, members of this country, are behind us. They want reforms, and they want it quick to have a meaningful impact in their lives. We have enormous challenges facing us. It is you and I. We have all the 36 governors as stakeholders. And you have the flexibility of using the local government to rapidly develop the infrastructure within the local government areas. Collaboration is not a crime. Please let us do so. Let me express my appreciation to the Vice President, His Excellency Hashim Fatima, and all Council members for the honor and privilege to formally inaugurate the Economic Council today. The National Economic Council is hereby inaugurated. And I wish you a successful tenure. Thank you very much.